is my whole idea of having this school, is to be able to have a proper school for the children, and my biggest dream was to have a garden for the children where we can grow vegetables. We've got a variety of fruit, so it's all to benefit the children.
Trace Minerals wants to also donate minerals to the children. As you know, the soils are depleted.
Yes.
Yeah. And the World Health Food Organization has said that 85% of the world's population is minerally deficient. And so we want to donate to your schools so they can have the mineral drops they can have on a daily basis, which will give them more nutrition. So we're excited to donate that to you guys, along with the playground and some of the other things that we're doing. And we're going to make sure they have the nutrition. We'll even send multivitamins and children's vitamins and stuff like that, so you guys can have
Oh wow, that's going to be amazing.
So,
Thank you so much. Thank you.
you bet.
Okay, here we go, water!
Now to see all this and what today is just, I don't know, I'm just speechless
Oh, you're awesome. Thanks for your work. Seriously.
now when you look around at the world today, you've got people like you coming here to help us. It's just amazing.
Well, it's the least we can do.
Thank you so much.
Papai,